Our CRUD application is almost ready, except for the one thing, and that is the delete process. Here in this lesson, we are going to add the delete functionality to let the users delete a game from their dashboard. Let's add a method here to handle the delete operation. And here, now we have to add a method called delete confirm. So here inside the delete confirm method, we are setting 3 values. The first one is delete dialog. When someone clicks on the delete button, it will pop up a dialog, and that dialog will provide 2 options, whether to close it or click on OK. If someone clicks on OK, then we are going to delete the particular game with the ID set here. So let's add this attributes here quickly. And here, let's add our dialog. And inside the dialog, we have a card with the title delete game. And we are displaying a message, are you sure you want to delete the particular game title? And inside this, we have 2 buttons, whether to close the dialog or we can click on delete game. This delete game method will actually remove the data from the Cloud Firestore. Here we are executing the delete method on the games collection document, and here we have passed the document ID. And now once the game is deleted, after that we are going to create an alert displaying that the game is deleted. And also we need to set the value of PID and ptitle to null. And now we will delete the particular game from our games array. So we need to remove the game first from the array before resetting the fields. And here we are using the findIndex method to find the index of the game where the ID is the supplied PID. And we are going to remove one item from that index. And here, after this, we will set the dialog to false. Now let's save all this and give it a try. Let's click on the delete button. And here it is showing that, are you sure you want to delete? Here is the game title. If we click on close, it will do nothing. However, if we click on delete, here it is showing game deleted. Click on OK and your game is removed. Let's check from the Cloud Firestore. And now if we look at our collection, there is no game available at the moment. So this is the way to delete item from the Cloud Firestore.